Imagine losing your health insurance, and not because of something you did, but because of a new tax bill passed by your government. That's exactly what millions of Americans are now facing under Trump's so-called big, beautiful bill. But is it really that beautiful?
And we're going to also cut costs. We're cutting $1.7 trillion in this bill, and you're not going to feel any of it. And your Medicaid is left alone. It's left the same. Your Medicare and your Social Security are strengthened. We're not cutting. The Democrats are going to destroy all three of them because it's not sustainable. They'll end up cutting your Medicare, Medicaid in half.
President Trump's latest tax and spending bill just passed the Senate, and it includes nearly $1 trillion in cuts to Medicaid. That's the health program that helps low-income families, children, people with disabilities, the most vulnerable in our country. According to official estimates, 11.8 million people could lose coverage over the next 10 years, and that number could go even higher if pandemic-era tax credits for affordable health plans aren't renewed. Vice President JD Vance broke the tie in the Senate with a 51-50 vote. His take? He called the Medicaid cuts immaterial. But for millions of families, these cuts are very material. They could mean the difference between seeing a doctor and going without care. The bill adds strict new rules. People on Medicaid will have to prove they're working 80 hours a month, or fit into very specific exemptions. Even parents of kids over 13 must work to stay insured. And the system will check eligibility twice a year. That means more red tape, more paperwork, and more chances for people to be wrongly kicked off their coverage. Hospitals are sounding the alarm. Rural areas and underserved communities may lose clinics or entire hospitals. Emergency rooms could get overcrowded, and healthcare workers say patient care will absolutely suffer. One nurse said, "It's going to come down to food, activities, and the quality of care. Something's got to give." These are real lives we're talking about, not just budget lines on a spreadsheet. This isn't just a tax bill, it's a massive shift in how America takes care of its people. And the question is, who will pay the real price? Watch the full breakdown on my channel, Truth Current, and let me know in the comments. Do you think this bill helps or harms everyday Americans?